once more. Kane up front, he'll lead the way. Bellingham shines every day. Saka flying down the wing. Foden makes the stadium sing. Rice stands strong in midfield fight. Palmer dazzles day and night. Walker racing strong and fast. Stones and Guehi built to last. Pickford in the goal so bold. England's story will be told. Oh! England, England, red and white we stand as one. Oh, England, England, bring the World Cup home again. Kane, Bellingham, Saka, Foden, Rice, Palmer, Walker, Stones. Pickford saves and England scores. We're the three lions, hear us roar. It's coming home, it's coming home. England's bringing the trophy home.